video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing two unboxings. We have this one and I have another one I'm going to be doing. Off some phones I bought off of eBay. Paper there. Alright, and here's the phone. It is the Samsung SPH-Z400 DAS. As you can see, it came in the box. Here's the soft touch is missing, but that's pretty much it. Probably dead or has an expanded battery, one or the other. Let me see if I can get this back cover off. The battery's a little expanded, it's not too bad. But, quick little unboxing for you guys. It really didn't take that long at all. But the next one's going to take a while, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.